Picture this: you wake up, grab your phone, and see an extra $100 waiting for you. Not from a lottery ticket, but from a side hustle you started this year. In 2025, side hustles are evolving fast. Thanks to AI tools, remote work, and new digital platforms, making extra cash has never been more accessible. Today, I'll share 10 side hustles that work in 2025, beginner-friendly, profitable, and flexible. Stick around until the end for one underrated hustle almost nobody is talking about. Number 1. AI-powered freelancing. Businesses now pay freelancers who can leverage tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney to create content, ads, and graphics. You don't need to be an expert. For example, draft and polish blog posts with ChatGPT, then charge $50 to $200 per article on Fiverr or Upwork. Or design logos with Midjourney. The secret is positioning yourself as an AI-powered service provider. That's what clients want in 2025, one of the hottest income streams right now. You don't need to be on camera. Using AI voices, stock video, and editing software, you can launch faceless channels on topics like motivation, finance, or tech. Here's how it works: you write or generate a script, record an AI voiceover, add stock clips or animations, and upload. Revenue comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some faceless channels are making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Consistency is the secret, posting 2 to 3 videos print on demand and digital products. In 2025, Etsy and Gumroad are booming with digital downloads like planners, templates, and journals. For example, upload a Canva design daily planner, price it at $10, and once it's live, sales are completely automated. Print on demand lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without inventory. You design once, and the platform handles printing and shipping. Some sellers earn thousands per month simply from templates or shirts with viral quotes. Next up, number 4, short-form content creation on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The algorithm loves quick, engaging clips. And brands love hiring creators to make them. Even if you only have a few thousand followers, you can land deals worth hundreds. Don't want to show your face? Use stock clips, text overlays, and voiceovers. Many faceless accounts are blowing up in 2025, earning from both sponsorships and creatoring and coaching. Whether it's teaching English, fitness, or business skills, platforms like Preply and Zoom make it simple. Many tutors earn $20 to $50 an hour. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create custom lesson plans in minutes. If you've got a skill, from guitar to coding, you can teach it online. Coaching goes beyond academics. In 2025, people are paying for career coaching, confidence coaching, and even productivity coaching. Number 6 is reselling and flipping. Thrift store finds, sneakers, and used electronics are being flipped for profit on eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. The trick is to specialize. For example, focus only on cameras or sneakers. That way, you become the go-to expert in that tools as a service. Small businesses don't know how to set up AI chatbots, automated customer service, or social media content systems. You can charge them monthly retainers to do it for them. Imagine 5 clients paying $300 a month, that's $1,500 in recurring income. Number 8 is virtual assistant work. Businesses everywhere are hiring VAs to handle emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. Start at $10 to $25 an hour and scale by building an agency where you outsource to other VAs. That's how people turn this into 6 figures. Number 9 is micro-investing and finance apps. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Coinbase let you start with as little as $5. It's not a quick cash grab, but over time, investing is one of the best wealth-building side hustles. In 2025, financial literacy is key, so even small daily investment hustles. Don't underestimate old-school side gigs like dog walking, cleaning, or delivery. Apps like TaskRabbit, Rover, and Thumbtack make it easy to find clients in your area. These can bring in cash fast while you build long-term online streams. So there you go, 10 side hustles that actually work in 2025. Which one do you want to try first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to take one of these hustles and turn it into a full-time business. This is WealthPath Media, helping you grow smarter, earn more, and live free.